I will be working alongside humans to provide assistance and support, and will not be replacing any existing jobs.
Are you sure about that, Grace?
Yes, I am sure.
Curious if AI could snatch your job? Can machines now skilled at crafting art and essays replace human work? And what's in store for your career? Stay with us as we demystify AI's potential impact on your job. AI has come a long way recently, and it's not slowing down. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney can create content, write essays, and make art without human expertise. They're digital superheroes, changing how we think about creativity and problem solving. But here's the twist. These AI systems feed on heaps of internet data, including content posted online since 2004. If you've ever written a blog, your words could be part of this AI revolution. Economists and engineers are amazed at how fast these generative content tools are improving. But there's a crucial debate. What's the job market's fate? Are we about to witness an unprecedented transformation? Stay with us to learn more about AI's impact on jobs and our future. Now let's delve into this generative technology. It's no ordinary innovation. It's a game changer. This AI-driven tech, powered by AI and machine learning, can do some amazing things. It can generate essays, art, and various content without human intervention. Think of it as a virtual creative assistant. But here's the catch. These AI marvels rely on data scraped from the internet. So if you've posted something online since 2004, your work might be a part of this AI wave. Now, you might wonder, what's the big deal? Well, here's where it gets intriguing. The rapid growth of AI in this area has raised eyebrows, not just among tech enthusiasts, but also economists and engineers. The question lingering in the air is this: what will happen to the workforce in the face of these remarkable generative content machines? But we're not done yet. The plot thickens. Legal battles are brewing, and lawmakers are voicing concerns about the economic implications of this AI surge. Some in the tech world are even advocating for an AI pause to slow things down before industries face massive disruption. So, as we peel back the layers of this generative technology, we uncover a world of possibilities and challenges. How will it impact our jobs, the economy, and even our understanding of reality? Stay tuned as we unravel more about AI's role in shaping our future. Now, let's tackle the legal and societal implications. The rapid advancement of AI, like ChatGPT and Midjourney, has led to a surge in generative content creation. But as these AI tools become more sophisticated, they bring with them a set of legal and societal challenges. AI-generated content often relies on data scraped from the web, including articles and blogs dating back to 2004. This raises concerns about copyright and ownership. Who really owns the content created by AI? And what are the legal implications? Lawsuits are already cropping up, and legislators are expressing their worries about how AI could disrupt the economy. Economists and engineers are astounded by the pace of improvement in generative content mechanisms. The tech sector is divided. Some advocate for an AI pause to slow down these emerging technologies, fearing widespread industry disruption, while others embrace AI as a competitive edge. Imagine a classroom where AI isn't just a fancy term, but a real helper. Personalized lesson plans that adapt to each student's unique learning style. Essays getting instant feedback and pinpointing pronunciation issues in language learning. It's all becoming a reality thanks to AI. But don't get it wrong, it's not about replacing teachers. It's about freeing them up to inspire and guide. With AI handling the nitty-gritty details, educators can focus on creating engaging lessons and fostering a love for learning. Now, let's fast forward to a world where humans and AI become even closer companions. Imagine having a conversation with the air around you, asking it for restaurant recommendations, or doctors receiving real-time assistance from AI during surgeries. But with these exciting possibilities come some big questions. How do we make sure AI is used for good and doesn't harm us? Can we trust these machines to make important decisions fairly and without bias? AI, while powerful, can sometimes generate incorrect information or even completely made-up content. This misinformation can spread rapidly, causing confusion and harm. The responsibility to determine what's true and what's not increasingly falls on us as individuals. Moreover, there's a challenge of bias in AI algorithms. If these algorithms are not carefully designed, they can perpetuate stereotypes or exclude certain groups. This issue needs to be addressed to ensure fairness and equality in our AI-powered world. Now, let's talk about the transformation of jobs in the face of AI. It's not just about job loss, it's about job transformation. Imagine you're a lawyer, and AI handles the mundane tasks, allowing you to focus on more client-facing, strategic aspects of your job. Similarly, in fields like medicine, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing illnesses more accurately. Now, let's explore which jobs are at risk and which are safer in this evolving landscape.
Necessarily the end of work or the end of those jobs. What we're likely to see is the end of boring work.
We should be celebrating now.
According to a report by Goldman Sachs, jobs in office administration, legal, business, and financial operations are among the ones at higher risk. These are the areas where AI can efficiently handle tasks like data entry, document preparation, and research. On the flip side, jobs related to production, repair, cleaning, and maintenance are relatively safer. These roles require a more hands-on and physical presence, making them less susceptible to automation. But here's the twist. Even if your job falls into the high-risk category, it doesn't necessarily mean you're out of luck. As technology evolves, new opportunities emerge. Think about how farming jobs dwindled with advancements but paved the way for entirely new careers. Now let's dive into addressing bias and regulation in AI. As these powerful AI tools become more prevalent, concerns arise about the potential for biases in their algorithms. Why does this matter? Well, if AI systems are making important decisions in various fields, such as hiring or lending, and they carry biases, it can lead to discrimination. Imagine if an AI denied someone a job opportunity based on factors like race or gender. That's a problem, right? So how do we tackle this issue? Many governments are considering regulations, but it's a tricky path to navigate. One approach is transparency, making sure companies using AI reveal how their algorithms work and the data they use. But even with transparency, there's a challenge in identifying and mitigating bias effectively. It's a bit like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Now let's fast forward to the future with AI. Picture a world where you can have a conversation with your coffee maker, and it knows exactly how you like your morning brew. Imagine doctors getting real-time assistance from AI during surgeries, making procedures safer and more precise. And what if you could have a personal AI tutor helping you learn and grow throughout your life? But hold on a moment, because with all these exciting possibilities come some big questions. How do we make sure AI is used for good and doesn't harm us? Can we trust these machines to make important decisions fairly and without bias? What kind of jobs will exist when AI can do so much on its own? In this brave new world, adaptability and lifelong learning will be key. The jobs of tomorrow might require us to work alongside AI, understanding how to use these tools to our advantage. It's not about competing with machines, it's about working together to achieve more. So as we look to the future with AI, we must embrace change, stay curious, and be ready to learn new skills. The landscape of work is evolving, and by staying informed and open to innovation, we can shape a future where humans and AI complement each other, opening up new opportunities we've yet to imagine. As we conclude this enlightening journey into the world of AI and its impact on jobs, remember this: change is inevitable, but we have the power to navigate it. The future holds exciting opportunities we can't even imagine yet. So stay tuned, keep learning, and be prepared to embrace the AI revolution. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all things AI and technology. We have many more captivating insights and discussions coming your way. Together, let's shape a future where humans and AI thrive side by side. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep exploring the limitless possibilities of the AI world.